50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101. Let me borrow some money for the weekend, but I'll pay you back.
No, you said that.
Some lunch. For real. Cause last time, you know, when Mama had gave me a $10 bill last year. No. I had spent that $10 bill on that, and guess what she gave me? And guess what the lady gave me? And then I gave her $1 because it was a cent, and she gave me $4 back.
You still don't got them $4?
I know, cause I spent it at the store with Mama. And we went grocery shopping. Is
this off?
It's on.
Is this off?
No, cause the green dot. It'll be off if the green dot.
How you turn it off then? Okay, it's off.
It is on now. We'll try to go on.
See, this part is off. But we just need to turn this part off.
We're going out with Daddy real quick.
I don't give a fuck, dog. That's a smoking in the line. Prepping, fuck them pussy niggas, yeah, they still trying to old school, do the prepping, we done you nigga, what you say, you wanna show me nigga, I wish you would, pussy nigga, bet the teacher about that me, mugging nigga, ha, yeah, deep off in the summer, say these niggas summer, we don't never sleep, yeah, we at that G, looking for that nigga that'll be, yeah, we got it wide open, yeah, like a film, it could be, them niggas can't sleep, while we slumber, looking for that number, could I please take your number, I take orders. I'm from Florida, Wick City. I fuck with DHIC, niggas. And that's real. When I was born, 603 Avenue, Palm Bluff for the bills. Hey, B, they talking about we ain't got a deal. Shit, them niggas don't know what the fuck it is. Shit, this G shit, that's not real. Them niggas looking for that beat shit. We on that E shit. Shit, matter of fact, them niggas on that weak shit. Hell, that's why them niggas still trying to freak shit. Fuck them niggas stuff in percussion, got their mind, pick their brain and fucking bust it. Even if they percussion, but it's real, the danger feel when you fucking with G.I.J. No, nigga chasing here, G.I.H.I.C. Say it back with G.I.H.I.G. That's me. Yeah, we off in this bitch. I got the whole fucking village and we represent it. No, it ain't my team, but we do our thing. Nigga can't even say, see us on the big screen. Yeah, they play. Nigga MTV, nigga BT. Who that is? That's the niggas from G.I.H.I.C. Yes, baby. Huh?